power? Who got the power?
Check it. When them boys talk loose and tell you power's for a king, you just play it cool and tell them power's not a thing. You look them in the eye and say, I know I'm not a guy, but see the